Di Bashngam Bat Pinjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangbak Jilla Konrad Ki Sangma Ulaitu baka sorkar kalapan bed bala kumnu ka jingple Paidbah ya ka Shillong Medical College kan salong la kumnu ha ka Taiew Banyngkong chong ubana Rymphang arajar punrio. Ha ka jingkran bat kilar patai kubor ha ka khatsan trek ukala lingkot arja punrio. Menteri Rangba ulaitu ba ha ka jingshisha ka sorkar kalaya kren bat ka Prime Minister Office na ka benta ban khot sobha yo Menteri Rangba du kari Narendra Modi ban Plie Paidbah ya ka college puli Dr. ha Shillong Henry ka jingdon ki election ha ki jalla bapher bat na ki jingja ha kalang ka partai Menteri Rangba du lashu banwan hi daladi sha nongba Shillong. Ula ongru bahadian balaya penbej bat menteri ka tanat ka kot ka khia ka sorkar pedeng ban Plie ya kanika college ka khandru trek ukala lingkot arjar penrio henrai lahaban pensengeno namar ba menteri ka sorkar pedeng haban isim benta ha ka jialang jong ka North Eastern Council bat namar ka jingdonru jong ka dorbar telang jong ka parliament.
So just want to share with you that again this is something that I wanted to wait for the right moment, but since you've asked me that we had requested the Prime Minister's office to come, but then Parliament session was there, and obviously some states were having elections, and a lot of global issues are there. So we were not able to get the dates from Prime Minister's office. So we have also urged the Health Minister's office to coordinate and come here to inaugurate the medical college. He was supposed to come on 16th, 17th of this month, which is tomorrow and the after. But at the same time, we had some communication that there was going to be NEC meeting on the same date, which again was consequently postponed. But by that time, that message came to us. Health Minister had already postponed his program, so we could not again change the program. So we have been having some kind of communication issues, not communication, but dates issues with this. But I hope that maybe sometime in early February, I'm hoping that we'll be able to get the time off before the maybe in the weekends or something during the Parliament session, because again, Parliament session starts on 28th of January, if I'm not wrong. So therefore, again, they will all be busy for 1 month, for a month, and then again recess, and again have the Parliament session. So let's hope. I'm hoping that we can do something by February. But we've been trying. I'm not just wanted to share with you that it's just been going, mixing up and all that stuff. So